and Chase Adventures, and today I have Chase with me, and we are going to be exploring these rocks down at the riverbank, and we are going to be trying to find fossils or rocks, cool ones. So basically, Chase, come on. We're going to go down to the river, so alright. We go down to the river and put the rock down there. So it will basically be what we're doing for the video. This is a very cool place because we have not done a video about this, and we have wanting to then doing a video. So today we're doing a video about this. Chase is going to be exploring some rocks, and if he finds some rocks, he'll bring them to me, and I'll put them in a bucket. And I will be trying to find like cool rocks and fossils, something like that. But you guys, look through there. You can already see the river. My buddy Chase, I don't know. He's probably finding something, but you're finding the river. We're going to be going to explore rocks, buddy. Here, look at you. Cool, buddy. Okay, I'll start with Chase coming out here first. Okay, guys, so we came here to collect rocks. See all them rocks? And we also came down here to have Chase swim. He comes down here and swims all the time. Right here is because the current out there is too strong to swim right there. And guys, do you even see the difference of all these rocks? Because I do. Look, see how these rocks are flat? These rocks are flat right there. And basically, rocks like this, they're all bumpy, and that's what we're looking for. Some rocks like this. And we might not collect any rocks, but we'll collect some rocks. Okay, ready? Tell me where to go. Okay, guys, so Chase is out here trying to look for some really cool rocks. As you can see, he's out there just looking at the ground at the rocks because he's basically trying to find cool rocks. I've been telling you the difference about these rocks. And look, sometimes it's brown. That's one of the other rocks we're trying to talk about too. And my buddy's Chase is one of my rocks, but now he's going to try to find some. Chase, come on this way, buddy. Let's go this way. Look, I just found a new rock. Guys, do you see this? I just found a brand new rock. Chase, come here, bud. Chase, come here. That's what we were trying to look for. Can you look for that? Yeah? Okay, well that one's going to go in my bucket. Okay, buddy? If you find one, I can also go in the bucket. So, let's keep going and searching. Okay, I'm trying to rock. Oh, you found this one, buddy. That's the one you were just sniffing. Chase, come. Chase, come. Come on. We just gotta go play. It's alright. I just found this, like, sign rock. Look. There's all this stuff on it. There's all, like, bumps and everything. Look, we just found that one. That's all Because I haven't done anything, buddy. Think we should keep going? Yeah? Okay. Now, Chase, let's go looking for rocks, buddy. Whoa! Did you not see this one all along, buddy? I gotta show the camera this. Look, guys, this rock literally has holes in it. Look, there's that hole. That hole. I don't know. The way when you can get these, I can show you one rock. You can look for fossils actually in these. So I'll show you that rock I just see. That was pretty cool. See, like this one that I just collected? It has marks. And they're like fossils. That's why this river is so popular. Look, guys. All them rocks. So, this is very cool. Look closely, guys. There's like this big pattern of lines that go straight down. You can really see them though, but they go straight down. We're gonna go explore right next to the water because one time I found a clam right there. And we got our some fossils, buddy. Let's go. Let's go find the water. Whoa! That's cool. Chase, come. Come, Chase. We're going to be walking out here, buddy. See if we see any cool rocks out here, like fossils, bud. Chase. Okay. Hey, Chase, have you found any cool rocks here, buddy? Wait, yeah? Wait, where were you just sniffing? Right there? Wait. Oh, Chase just found this with all them lines. Chase, buddy, you actually found a cool rock, buddy. Huh, not good. Oh, we're going to add that to the collection, buddy. Wait, I'm about to show the camera the back, buddy. Look, you see the back? Look, the back has bumps, guys. That would be like some kind of skull thing of a fossil. So we could add this. Let's add that. So basically, we can add that. Come on, guys. Let's go look at some more rocks near the river. Just come on, buddy. Go right through there. And the water. Chase, is this where you like to swim, buddy? Yeah? No, swim in here, buddy. Right? Yeah, you are. Oh. Yeah. What's that? Oh, nothing. Swim, buddy. Swim. Good boy. Chase, come on. We're going to go find some fossils, buddy. We need to look for some cool ones, bud. Guys, by the way, Chase loves being in the water like every day. And he likes to chase them pelicans sometimes because that's just what he does. He likes to chase them around on the rocks. You chasing them, buddy? It's just back to you, bud. Chase. Come on, Chase. Chase, don't go in the water anymore, because I want to be finding rocks, buddy. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna be collecting rocks right there. Come back to my channel, and today I'm giving Chase his cookie because he's hungry. So I'm giving him his cookie. And you want to see all my rocks I got? Look, I got all these. I'll start showing you. First we got this one, which is pretty cool. We got all them. That looks like a snail. And we have this little round thingy right there, which is like a circle. Chase, you can't get any more, buddy. I have no more. And then I got this. It has holes in it. If you look inside, it looks like there's a claw in there or something like that, but mostly I'm just collecting rock. I don't know what he's doing. Hey guys, but we have this cool rock. Look at this rock. It's all pattern shaped. It's cool. Yeah, look. It has all these bumps. Guys, look over here. Look right there. Come over here and look, guys. There's right there. And there's like 3 holes that go in. And that hole. Check that out. That's not one of the rocks. And I want Chase to come over here. Chase, come on. Something like this. Guys, I just seen a cool rock we could like draw on like a rock. Here guys, I want to show you something real quick. You know how to make like a draw pad out of rocks? Here, take a rock like this. Take one rock and like scrape it and it makes white. But back to the video. There's one of them. We'll break them back. And we're gonna start trying to look for like cool rocks. I think they found something. Oh, cool. Look what he just found. Can you see? See them marks? It's like a claw mark. And good job, buddy. Look, we just found that. Yeah, we just did. You want to have some bucket, yeah? Ready in the bucket, bud. Yeah. Oh, guys, I just found a really cool one. Look. It's all like this, guys. If you can see, it's all like that. And I don't know. We just checking out the rocks. Checking out rocks, buddy? Look, this is like cool. If you can see, it's like and out and out. We should definitely have this one, right guys? Yeah, I think we should. Keep this going out over. Okay, so we are gonna end this video in a second because, well, we got enough rocks so far, but this one is super cool, so we're gonna add this to this. And if you want to do something like this, you can go to a river nearby and do it. But thank you for watching my video and Cayden and Chase Adventures. And we have some other videos. I'm just beginning. So welcome back to my channel and we have some other videos for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye guys.